Are we ready to do our choreography all together?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Lina.
We circle, it is a play of words. It basically means that we are together in this format of a circle, which means that there's no hierarchy involved, and without some people the circle doesn't work.
You just need flour, water, and you can create bread. As Amir said, it's really meditative because it's just you and your thoughts and your senses, and you play around.
In Saudi we have variety of things because of the mixed culture that we have. We have Afghani bread, we call it tamis.
French stick.
Okay.
It's kind of thin and long and brown. But
I even
don't
have
really
someone
know how
here.
they do it.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you have the soft bread, which is made up of just flour.
Yeah.
Come on, you have this bed,
Baguette.
but no brown, white.
Open your eyes, get some good energy. Rub, and front. Move your breath.
This one? Yes. It's yours as well?
Hey!
Good job, everybody.
Yay!
All the bread is there. Wow. Okay, guys, let's get going because we have a lot of fun stuff. Mine is a very short story. My favorite meal in Poland ever is Christmas.
It was a very beautiful group, I believe. It was, with different personalities. I think that we never made a kind of program like this.
I want each group to be these cooks, these chefs.
Listen to me. We have a cake for you. A special cake.
As a cream, there's 3 times of deep breath with a great childish joyfulness.
Chit-chat means even if you are white, even if you are black, you can get married with we can get married and have a child to also share love and be loved.
Now, put them in the oven of meditation.
I thank you for today. You make me happy, and this is love.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's good that we're trying. Or I could say Maria.
Maria.
All the workshops were just to bring out that which was already in people, and people expressed themselves freely, and then they got to know each other. So I would say it was a progressive event. It was wonderful.
My name is Catherine and I come from Cameroon. I'm living in Cyprus now. I'm a refugee.
Really? No, okay.
Perfect. I like music.
That's
Oh, the experience was very, very interesting for me because you know what? It's my first workshop, and I'm a very shy person, but I even surprised myself. I learned also how to speak with the people openly, without thinking like maybe they're going to judge me, because for me it was very difficult. I was very close person, but here I open my heart with people.
As a way, what we will do is theatrical games. It's not really based on language as much as it's based on interaction. What you have to be is to open up your mind, to open up your heart. If you really use it as a way of life, that's what improvisation teaches. Improvisation teaches you that whatever simple things you see, you could transform them into crazy ideas.
It will be a good practice for you as well to make me understand like what's happening next week. Yeah?
I was thinking to make a puff puff.
Puff puff.
Yes.
What is it?
What I want to do is to have my eyes closed, and so I will invite the audience to share, to make a food in front of me.
Is it okay by you if I read to you my poem?
Yes.
Okay. I am peaceful. I am loving.
Trying to figure out who is going to sit where. I just have to assign them.
1, 2, 3. When you get a yum, 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 yum.
Fish from the sea, butter from the milk, and milk from the cow. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yummy.
Are you ready?
Are we ready? Happy Joe, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. In my country, we have so many country, also so many people, different country. You have to guess from where the food, which country first, because
I
the
have
story.
no idea.
Sounds crazy. Yeah. I will close my eyes. And
So I've decided that I'm gonna do it a way of life, a way that I'm gonna be free to be myself all the hours of the day.
I don't know, this is our experience here, and we always, in whatever we are doing as a collective, as we circle collective, as individual, to valorize the richness that every individual brings. And we see a lot of diversity, a lot of richness that is because of this diversity. And it's in general, when we have occasions and possibilities to participate and to do activities and to do things that are like, that is enlightening, this beauty, this...
Picture.
Thank you. Merci beaucoup.
Wahambanati, oh wahambanati, oh wahambanati, siyabonga. Wahambanati, oh wahambanati, oh wahambanati, siyabonga. Siyabonga faito. Siyabonga wayema yezulu, siyabonga faito, siyabonga.